We are here at Crosswind Ranch in the Parrish, Florida area. These are beautiful homes and villas by WestBay. Let's go check them out. This is the Bridgeport by WestBay, 3-bed, 2-bath, 2-car garage, sitting at 1,534 square feet under air. Welcome inside to this gorgeous villa. You won't even know that you're in an attached home with a wall separating because this truly feels welcoming and open. But it does not have any type of feeling like it's a duplex or an apartment. There is a full-size walk-in pantry, even a little coffee bar here. It's so cute. You've got stainless steel appliances, a farmhouse sink, and gorgeous granite countertops. That flows right into your dining area and your main entertaining area. You've got triple sliders here with a nice covered porch that you can screen in. And then moving in towards the back for privacy, you have your primary suite. This is a very large, nice size room with natural light for the windows and even a vaulted ceiling. Going on in, you do have a his and hers closet, both walk-in, allowing for generous storage space. You also have a separate toilet space for privacy. You do have a stand-up shower with a pony wall. Generously sized dual vanity with room to sit down. Going back out to the primary, we'll move right along back to the front of the house. Notice this is a gas stove here, which some people really love because Florida does not have a lot of gas communities. On this side, you do have the guest bathroom, which is a full bathroom, again, quartz countertops. This does have a tub shower combo for those who like to take a nice hot soaking bath. Beyond the bathroom, you move towards the laundry room, which is very convenient, so it's not right in front of the guests when they need to use the restroom. Of course, you have your nook here for anything muddy or dirty when you come in and out from the garage. Of course, you do have your water heater out here with all the newest regulations. You have a reinforced garage door so that you can get that nice insurance discount. Of course, your shutters for wind resistance and your Square D electric panel. They do come with the MyQ app so that you can open the garage from your phone. And of course, this could be a bedroom or an office. It does have a window and a closet. And moving back up towards the front of the house, you have your primary guest bedroom with nice raised ceilings and a comfortable room size. It is directly across from the laundry for convenience. This home won some major awards and is truly wonderful. Click the link below to book an appointment to see if this is the right home for you.